Hello friends, and now we will share some quotes. Some quotes means and when you some when you learn, if you learn these quotes and you will get some more motivation, and motivation will come in your brain, in your thought, and motivation will change your thinking power. And I will say to you how many quotes you know, and some quotes share with us, Prateep.
So I know lots of quotes, like more about 50 quotes I can
No,
say you.
you
But
say just like which are quotes you like most.
yes, I like most
The
like
three or two, three, five quotes, and
okay. There are like 5 quotes that I like most.
uh,
Then my first quote, like first number quote, is I also say to everyone that it is one of the best quotes. Like I think that for me, that this quote is written by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He said to us that like don't respect, like don't demotivate or always try to respect your haters because they are the only one who knows that you are better than them. I want to repeat it. Don't like respect every time. Respect your haters because they are the only one who knows that you are better than them.
okay, I understand this quote is very nice.
Yes.
Don't hate haters. Don't you hate your haters. Our
Yes.
haters, they are develop your thinking, huh?
Yes.
And if you they don't say anything, they know what they are saying, and you know what you are doing, huh?
Yes.
But your work and your study always you can try for progressing. So now another course you can share with us.
So another quote is written by Charlie Chaplin. He said to us that don't worry about what I am doing. Worry about why you are worrying about what I am doing.
Wow, this course is Talisam said,
Yes.
don't worry, don't worry what am I doing, worry about why you are worried. মানে এই কোর্সটা এত সুন্দর, আমি কি করছি তোমরা চিন্তা করো না, তুমি ভাবো তুমি কেন চিন্তিত। Don't worry what am I doing, worry about why you are worried. So course is very nice, and uh, these roots this root will be new roots, and they are work progressing in this place. So we will make another video. So thank you for watching. Best of luck.